How to get a contoured complexion with Airflash. Start by applying Airflash Radiance Mist to prepare your skin. Then apply Airflash in a Z motion. You can do it twice if you want more coverage. Clean any product from your hairline and eyebrows. Then take a shade that is 2-tone darker than your skin tone. Contour with a brush on the cheeks, forehead, and under the chin. Blend to remove any harsh lines. Airflash gives you a radiant, water-resistant complexion. Add a little bit of Dior Show Pump and Volume to darken your lashes. Don't forget to pump it first. And here you have a radiant and contoured complexion.